Now we are going to learn one of the important array method in JavaScript named called slice. What is slice and what is the use of slice? The slice method returns a new copy of a section of an array. Note that the slice method does not modify the existing array. Instead, it creates and returns a new array. Let me show you this. So here we have an array with an item like bananas, apples and oranges. When you use slice as a method, it's going to create new array from this array. For example, slice, the name itself is there. It's going to slice apart from this array, then it's going to create a new array. It's not necessarily is going to modify the existing array. It's going to remove something from an existing array, but it does not modify the existing array. For example, let's say you have an apple and you make a slice from that apple. So when you remove some part from that apple, it's not necessarily that apple will become banana. That apple will remain as apple, right? So you just removed a part of apple just to eat, right? Same like here, even when you use the slice as a method, that slice method is going to create a new array with this sliced item. Not necessarily that slice method is going to modify the actual array. So let us do this. So I'm going to say fruits dot slice as a method. So this slice method would take two parameters. First one is a starting array, second one is an ending array. So when I say start, when I say 2, so this is a place where I'm going to start slicing from. So this is the index of an array. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So this is where I'm going to start doing the slice. So this is my starting point. So let me say 4. 4 is the end of my slicing. So here let's say this is a 2, this is a 3, there is no item in the 4. So meaning when you take two parameters, this one is a starting of an array index, this one is an ending array index. So here this 2 will be included, meaning when you want to make a slice, this array index 2 will be included. This 4 will be excluded. Even if you have an item there, let me say I'm going to have an item saying Goa. So this is a fourth index, right? So here when you say 2, these oranges will be included. This fourth index will be excluded. So I'm going to make a slice starting from this second index up to third index. I'm not going to include the fourth index. So when I save and refresh, you would understand how the slice method would work. So it's going to print oranges and banana. So it's going to take two parameters. This is the starting of an index, this is an ending of an index. So it's going to include the starting index and it's going to exclude the final index. So here when I say 0, it's going to include 0, 1, 2, 3 and the fourth index will be excluded. When I save and refresh, you will see bananas, apple, oranges, and again there is a banana is being printed. That fourth index is being excluded. The Goa is being excluded because this end index we don't include them in a slice method. So this is how slice method work. So as I said, it's going to make a slice, it's going to make a new array from an existing array. That doesn't mean that we are going to modify the existing array. We are just going to create a new one, right?